Hello students, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We have done three classes, and in those three classes we have covered HTML, introduction part of HTML. We have done features of HTML. We have done text editor for HTML and web browser. Today we will discuss about HTML elements or tag. HTML works on elements. We write the tags for creating the web applications. So that tag refers to text to string which are enclosed in angular brackets. These are the angular brackets. You are less than and greater than. Clear? And these tags tell the browser how to organize and present the text, images and other content. Clear? Because of the tags, only then browser can understand how to represent the HTML web applications. Clear? So HTML tags are predefined. These are predefined. You have to understand them and then you can use it. They are not case sensitive. Case sensitive means you can write in lowercase and uppercase. Okay? It will allow in both. Second one is all tags are typed inside these brackets and the text between these brackets are called elements. Clear? So opening tag are written within less than, this is less than and greater than sign, and closing tags will come with forward slash. This is your forward slash. This is your forward slash. You will apply it or you will append the tag by forward slash. Now the attributes. Attributes are the extra things that we perform to the elements. Like we want to give font size, font face, font width, height, any kind of attribute we can apply on the elements. So we have seen the definition of elements. What are the elements? Elements are tags are the string or text and tags are enclosed in C. These are the a tag. This is a tag. Tag is enclosed in angular brackets. Suppose the tag is font. Suppose the tag is font and I want to assign its size. Okay, I want to assign its face, so I can assign it. Okay, size face will be act as an attribute. Now we will read about two kind of elements, container elements and empty elements. This type of elements always wrap around text or graphics and come in a set. Set means pairing. Clear? Like HTML is a tag and this will become element and this is opening element, this is closing element. Clear? So container element contains a set of opening as well as closing tags. Clear? Second one is empty element. Empty element says I am stand alone. I don't require a closing tag and empty tag do not have to be wrapped. Wrapped means wrapping क्या होती है? अगर हम उसको पूरा wrap कर दें, ठीक है, all around से उसको pack कर दें, but empty says I don't need to wrap. You can give an opening tag and I'm not asking for closing tag. Clear? Now let's discuss the empty elements. Now let's discuss the empty element. Empty element says I am standalone tag. Empty tags do not have to be wrapped around the text. Means if I do write for paragraph okay, so you can write the text here. You don't need to be wrapped me. I don't require closing tag. I don't want this tag. Okay, so this is your empty element. So there are horizontal, which is empty element, which acts as empty element, and break, we define it by BR, P for paragraph, IMG for image, and link is also there. Clear? And after that we will see HTML tag structure. But we have seen till now, we have studied about definition of tag or elements, and we have done two types of elements. One is container and second one is empty elements. Now let's discuss HTML tag structure. How to define tags. So this is our angular bracket. Here we will write tag name and we will define attribute name. Mean like for font I will use face. I will use face. We can use size. We can use size. We can use height. We can use width. Yeah. And here with the equal sign we will assign its value, and after that we will write our content there. Okay. So HTML tag consists of following elements. See the tag name. Tag name says this is the name of opening HTML tag. Be same or similar with the in the opening and closing elements. And attribute name, either it can be a single or list of attributes we can define. If there are more than attributes, then we will separate it by the comma or space. You can write the comma, like I was writing list, sorry, I was writing face, and width, height, so we can separate it by the space. And attribute value says you will write the value, like for size, double quotes, I will define the values with the equal sign. Okay, so these are the examples, like font size. So I am giving 5 as a value, and this is my body. I want body color should be red, font face should be Arial, and horizontal width should be in percentage. Clear? So these are the things we can do. Now see the basic structure, how we define. Now we will study about basic structure for creation of any web page. So we will take a platform of online source, code pen. Go. We have studied in part 3 about the text editors. So I will use online platform to create the web applications or to understand you the syntax. So I will write HTML. You must start with HTML opening as well as closing. Both are required. These tags, these tags helps the browser to tell about or inform about from where the element, where the coding part is starting and where it is ending. After the HTML, we will define its head part. Okay, and I already told you head like as our body. It it is on the top. So same in HTML, and in head we will write the title. What we are doing, I am showing you demo. So demo of HTML, and I will close it by the closing tag. The head part is done. After closing the head tag, we will use body tag. I will close it right now. Clear? Now what we can do, I will write font. I simply write happy welcome, welcome to a new year 2025. Then I will close it by its tag. See, you can see the output here. Now I will assign its face. Sorry. See, font is my tag. And if I writing angular brackets, it will become element. Clear? This is my text. Okay, and in font I will assign some attributes like face. I want to use face like Calibri. So you can see its font has been changed into Calibri. Now I want to give the size also, which is size I will give 26. Okay, now you can see the instant output it is showing us. It is now. And what we can write, we have done the face part, we have done the size part. Yeah, so this is the way to write the things. Now we will discuss all the elements, and I will write all the elements here, and I will show you how we write the syntax for particular element. Now we will discuss the basic HTML tag. Okay, this is the same thing whatever I told you there, all the same thing is written here. Let's discuss the first point, doc type HTML. You will write this line for HTML if you want to use. You know HTML5 is the latest version and it is published in which year, you will tell me. If you are continuously watching my video, I expect you know in which year this HTML5 was published. Okay, I will wait for your comment. And you will define it on the top, like I will write before HTML, I will mention this less than, this is exclamatory mark. Now doc type HTML. We have done HTML elements, we have done the head, we have done the title where we define, give the definition. Now this is the important part, meta. You know the meaning of meta, information about information. We say metadata is information about information, means information के बारे में भी जो information दे, ठीक है. This helps you not appear data, whatever you mention in these tags, it will not appear in browser window. Means तो फिर हम यूज क्यों कर रहे हैं इसका, पॉइंट इज कि व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग इट इफ इट इज नॉट, उसके लिए तो हम कमेंट टैग एलिमेंट यूज कर लेंगे. क्या यूज कर लेंगे, कमेंट एलिमेंट यूज कर लेंगे. बट meta element helps us to define page description. We can give the author name, and it's the copyright information, we can define it. So it will be always there in our syntax part. And it is used by, basically it is used by browser for the search engine and other web services. Okay, so metadata is helpful for browser, search engines and other web services. So metadata, where we define the metadata, this is the important point. So we define the metadata in head part, like meta, and name I am giving computer genetics. And now I will give some keywords. So to assign the keywords, we will use content word, where I will assign what content I will provide you. I will provide you Python. We will do HTML. We will do fundamental computer. Okay. So we will do all this part and close it. Now, obviously it will not appear in your screen. Okay, it is used by web browser. So how, the way we define the meta element, clear? And we define it in the title, where we define it in title element. Chaliye. Now move to body. Whatever we want to show, whatever we want to represent the information on the web browser, so we will write everything. Font we have discussed. Center will help you keep your text in between, like I will mention the center here. Now you will see we have written the center element and the text will appear in the center. Clear? Now comment is help, comment is helpful to explain the code. So we can write the comment, we will define it by the exclamatory mark, and we will write our whatever the text we want to write, and we will start it by the angular brackets and end it also. So we will do like here I want to mention uh, this is for demo purpose only. Okay. So this will not appear, you can see this will not appear here. Heading tags, there are 6 levels of heading. H1 defines for largest heading and H6 for the smallest. H1, H2, there are, see, there are H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 and H6. This is largest and this is smallest. Now we will implement it. देखिए हम यहाँ H1 डिफाइन करेंगे और H1 के लिए हम बोलेंगे कि हेलो, क्या बोलेंगे हम? हेलो H1. Now you can see hello. ठीक है? And for H6 what we will see? Smaller. Now the heading tags we have done. Paragraph tag, you will define it. This is empty tag, you just need to define it in the as a opening tag, and you can write the paragraph. Break is used to for the empty tag. This is also empty tag, and it will help you the text to the next line. Like I have written this welcome, and if I write break br, so it will show you. See, I have written the break after the welcome, and here the line the line is broken, and the rest of the text is appearing to the next line. Horizontal tag will be appear as a rule or as a line. It is also known as section separator because it क्या करता है? It separates the section. You can use the horizontal tag also. Let's do it. Here we will write horizontal. Now check it. Okay. Horizontal line is appearing here. You can give the size also. I will define 100. Now let's check it. देखिए 100 के लिए this is, and for 500 let's check it for 500. See, you can see the line. This line is showing in this way. Okay, so we have done 13 tag. Last one is NBPS, and before NBPS we will write ampersand. Okay, and then we will write NBPS means non-breaking space. Like I want to give some space. जैसे कि here new year. I will use ampersand. I will use NBSP. I will write. Now check it. Okay, I have not given any space between the new and year, but it is showing me. Showing me. Suppose, and if I remove the space between 2 and A, then what would happen? Okay, this become TOA, and if I write ampersand and MBSP. Today we have discussed about the basic HTML tags. Tags are defined in the elements. Tags are defined in the angular brackets. We call them elements, and in elements we define the attributes. So I hope you enjoyed this class. So meet you in next class.